How to log into your Shein account. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can log into the Shein account. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, you may just download the Shein application from any of your available app store, or you may just open up a browser and go to shein.com in your laptop or your phone. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. Right now, I'm using a website on one of my browser. So you just need to go to shein.com. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your home screen. So what you're going to do is you'll be able to see this me section at the bottom at the right. Just tap on it. And here you can see this sign in or register option. So if you don't have an account, you may just tap on sign in and register. After that, you may just enter your email and create an account by entering your email, or you may just continue with Google or Facebook. If you already have an account, you just need to tap on continue with Google and Facebook. And if you have used verification process, you just need to enter the code that you receive on your Google Gmail account or your Facebook account. And if you have used email, just enter your email and password, and you should be easily logged in into your Shein account. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to easily log in into your Shein account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.